Okay, now I want to show you how to add a label gadget to your blog, because right now you have lots of great posts on your blog, but if a viewer wants to see a specific category of your blog post, like RLA, it's hard for your viewer to know which ones are for RLA. If you look on Genevieve's blog, for example, she's got some from music, and she's got some from RLA and social studies, but what a viewer can do is go to her label gadget here, and it's a whole list of all the categories that she has made for her blog posts. So if I click on RLA, for example, I can go right to the ones that I want to read for RLA. My blog doesn't have that yet, and so today I'm going to just show you how to do that. The first thing you need to do is to go to the design dashboard. This is the behind the scenes space for you to develop some of the features of your blog. Click on layout and you will see kind of how your blog is laid out for the viewer. Depending on the theme, some layouts may have different spaces and different layouts. Mine has the blog posts on the left. It's got a couple titles up top, and then here is where all my gadgets can go. I want to click Add a Gadget, and Blogger comes with many preset gadgets for you. All I need to do is scroll down till I get the Labels gadget. If I add a plus, that means it will be added to my blog. Before it does, though, it gives me some choices. I want all my labels to show up. I could change the title of this gadget. Alphabetically, I do like that. And remember, Genevieve's was in a list. I'm going to try the cloud option to see what that looks like. But I do like the idea of showing the number of posts per label so the viewer can see what I write about most. Once I click Save, the gadget will show at the top. It's the most recent gadget. Now I could rearrange my gadgets a bit simply by clicking and moving them up and down on my list of gadgets. Once I save my arrangement and view my blog, you can see that the Labels gadget has been added to my blog. Here it is down at the bottom, and you can see that the cloud option is a little different from the list. The list takes up much more space, but it's clearer to read in some respects. And the cloud option is more like a paragraph. The more options, the more categories that I've written about, the bigger the typeface, which is kind of cool. I like that feature. So there you have it, adding a label gadget to your blog.